ZANU-PF Legal Affairs Secretary Patrick Chinamasa is facing a serious internal backlash for his tweet, which claimed that local business mogul Tagwirei is now a ruling party central committee, intensifying political division and chaos in the deeply divided organization. Sarabina mashoko buda panguwa ine oradza kuti panguwa ine aiwa hazvina kumira zvakanaka, kune mukono iri kutungana. Subscribe or like on the bell. This followed a recent announcement by the party spokesperson NELSONCHAMISA that Tagwirei's option process was flawed and hence he is ineligible. Chinamasa first posted on tweet on Sunday saying Tagwirei is now virtually a ZANU-PF Central Committee member, pending the noting and adoption of his membership in the next sitting of the party's main decision-making board in between congresses. He claimed Tagwirei's co-option was first agreed at the Politburo meeting held on 2 July at the party headquarters in Harare, before it was further endorsed at another meeting of the same body, which is the Central Committee's administrative organ, last week on Wednesday. After that, ZANU-PF leaders, including Vice President Chiwenga, Opamchingur Kashiri, Secretary General Obet Mpofu, were furious at their anger, forced Chinamasa to delete his tweet late yesterday afternoon to avoid disciplinary action. However, Chinamasa reposted his controversial tweet in the dead of the night at 1:58 a.m. early this morning when his bosses were sleeping, in a renewed act of political aggression and defiance against them. Insiders say Chinamasa is claiming he has the backing of President Mnangagwa to do so. Mnangagwa is close to Tagwirei. Prior to this, Chinamasa had contradicted Mpofu on the co-option process and purported to weak the Secretary General's 5 June internal circular explaining the exercise, which technically rendered Tagwirei ineligible. Mchangwa said Chinamasa must explain his tweet, not him, when approached for comment. Ask him to explain that, not me, Mchangwa said. Toma shukaripo panguwa ine arikonekwa kunzi zvatotanga with the ruling party ZANU-PF. Tuze mafunguro enyu motukudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. Awapinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.